welcome to my kitchen addiction. I'm your host, Becky, and I'm going to show you the Philips soup maker. The Philips soup maker I've had for about a year now, so I know it well, and I love it because whenever I want some lunch, it's always there for me, and I love soup. We're going to make a really simple soup today, butternut squash soup, and with apple and some onions. And I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a gourmet soup in a matter of minutes. So let's get started. Now, this is the Philips soup maker. It's very versatile, and it only takes 18 minutes to cook anything. We're making butternut squash. I'm using frozen butternut squash because it's already cut up and done all the work for me. They do say you shouldn't use frozen vegetables, but I'm here to tell you you can. So all you really have to do is just fill this up with probably, I'm going with a cup and a half butternut squash. This is not a recipe video. This is a recipe or a video to show you about the soup makers. So I apologize for my lack of cooking expertise, but I knows what I like. So I'm just gonna fill that up. You see there? Yeah. And apples. And I like using spring onions. They're a superfood, and they're real easy, and they also cook better in soup. You don't have to saute them. So let's get that in there. So here's for the main ingredient is water and chicken stock. I say it's the main because it's the base for most things. When I use stock in this, I don't use the cubes because I think it takes about 3.5 cups of water, and you don't want to use 2 whole cubes because that'll be too strong. So you can measure it out with the powdered stuff. And putting it in. Correction, about 4 cups. Give or take a little less. Again, got 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, so we're putting the lid on here. There are the buttons on here. These different buttons are the on-off button, and this is the select button. This is for creamed soups, chunky soups, milk soups, which I really like. And this is for like a compote, a puree, and then for smoothies, so it doesn't turn the heat on. Or if you just want to blend, it hits a blender too. So it's really cool. We're going to be putting in a little dill. Some pepper. Salt. There's salt in the Italian seasoning and a little garlic. Good. Now, all we have to do is put the lid on. Good. So you've got it plugged in. It's on, and you see the lights are flashing up here. You want to select for this soup the creamed soup. So this one here. There's no milk in it, and that'll kind of come as a surprise to you because it'll be very creamy. And all you do is press start. There it goes, if you can hear it. It's got that lovely puff of thing, but it does a really, really good job of pureeing. I just wanted you to hear this thing at work because it's a powerful little blender. Okay, the soup is ready. Time. It's always a reveal when you do these things because you never know what's in there. It's always good though. It's always good. So I'm just gonna take the lid off. Very steamy. Beautiful and rich. Now, one thing that I forgot that you could do is put potato in this, and that would make it even more creamy as a soup. Smells good. That's good soup. That's good. Mmm. Yeah, flavorful. And it's so easy. So next time, I'll let you in on my little kitchen addiction, and we'll see you next time.